Walk-in tubs are an excellent addition to any home, especially for those looking to prioritize safety, comfort, and accessibility in their bathrooms. In Mobile, Alabama, walk-in tubs have become increasingly popular among homeowners, particularly seniors and individuals with mobility issues, offering a safer and more comfortable bathing experience. However, understanding the installation process and making informed choices is key to ensuring a successful upgrade. This complete guide to walk-in tub installation in Mobile, Alabama will walk you through the benefits, installation process, and how to choose the right installer to transform your bathroom into a more accessible, functional, and stylish space. Why install a walk-in tub? Before diving into the installation process, it's important to understand why a walk-in tub might be the right choice for your home. Walk-in tubs offer numerous benefits, particularly for individuals seeking greater independence and safety in their daily routines. Safety and accessibility. Walk-in tubs are designed with low entry thresholds, allowing users to step in and out of the tub easily, significantly reducing the risk of slips and falls. For seniors or those with mobility issues in Mobile, these tubs provide a safe and accessible bathing option. Comfort. Walk-in tubs are designed for ultimate comfort. Most models include built-in seating, ergonomic handles, and hydrotherapy jets that can soothe sore muscles and joints, making the bathing experience more relaxing. Independence. For those who struggle with traditional tubs, a walk-in option offers independence. Users can bathe without needing assistance, allowing them to maintain privacy and dignity while minimizing the risk of accidents. Increased home value. In Mobile, where the population includes a growing number of retirees, adding a walk-in tub can increase your home's value and appeal, especially to potential buyers seeking aging-in-place features. The walk-in tub installation process. Understanding the installation process helps ensure that the project runs smoothly and meets your expectations. Here's an overview of what to expect during a walk-in tub installation in Mobile, Alabama. Initial consultation and measurement. The installation process begins with an in-home consultation. A professional installer will assess your bathroom space, take measurements, and discuss your specific needs. During this step, you'll choose your preferred walk-in tub model and any additional features, such as hydrotherapy jets or custom hand rigs. Tub removal and preparation. If you're replacing an existing bathtub, the installer will first remove the old tub. This may involve some demolition, including removing tiles or reconfiguring plumbing. The space will then be prepared for the new installation. This preparation is critical to ensuring that the new tub fits perfectly and functions optimally. Plumbing and electrical adjustments. Walk-in tubs often require adjustments to your home's plumbing and electrical systems. Most models feature advanced functions like fast fill faucets, hydrotherapy jets, or heated seating, which may require specific plumbing connections or electrical outlets. In Mobile, professional installers will ensure that all adjustments are up to code and meet local regulations. Tub installation. Once the space is prepared, the walk-in tub will be installed. This involves securing the tub in place, connecting the plumbing and electrical systems, and sealing the tub to prevent water leakage. The installer will test the tub to make sure all features work correctly, from the faucet to the drain, ensuring a safe and fully functional installation. Finishing touches. After installation, your bathroom will be restored to its original state. This may involve retiling, painting, or other cosmetic work to ensure the space looks clean and cohesive. The installer will also show you how to operate the new walk-in tub, including any special features or safety measures. Key features to consider for your walk-in tub. When choosing a walk-in tub, there are a variety of features to consider based on your personal needs, budget, and the size of your bathroom. Some popular features for walk-in tubs include hydrotherapy jets. Many walk-in tubs come equipped with hydrotherapy or air jets, offering a therapeutic experience that can help alleviate pain, improve circulation, and reduce stress. This feature is especially beneficial for individuals with arthritis or other joint-related conditions. Quick drain system. Traditional tubs can take several minutes to drain, leaving users waiting in the tub. Walk-in tubs with quick drain technology speed up this process, allowing the water to drain in a matter of seconds. Heated seating. To enhance comfort during your bath, some walk-in tubs offer heated seating options, ensuring you stay warm even while waiting for the tub to fill or drain. Grab bars and non-slip flooring. Safety is a top priority for walk-in tubs. Make sure your chosen model includes grab bars and non-slip flooring to reduce the risk of falls and ensure stability. Customizable door configuration. Walk-in tubs come in different door designs, including inward and outward swinging doors. The right door type depends on your mobility needs and bathroom layout, so discuss these options with your installer to find the best fit for you. Choosing the right walk-in tub installer in Mobile, Alabama. Selecting the right installer is crucial to ensuring your walk-in tub is installed correctly and functions as intended. Here are a few tips to help you choose the best walk-in tub installer in Mobile. Experience and reputation. Look for an installer with a proven track record of experience in walk-in tub installations. Check online reviews, ask for references, and look for installers with a strong reputation in Mobile for high-quality work and customer satisfaction. Licensing and insurance. Make sure the installer is fully licensed and insured to perform walk-in tub installations in Mobile, Alabama. This protects you in the event of accidents or damage during the installation process. Warranties and guarantees. Reputable installers should offer warranties on both the product and the labor involved in the installation. Ask about the details of any warranties to ensure your investment is protected should any issues arise after installation. Customer service. A good installer should be easy to communicate with and transparent about the installation process. Look for installers who are responsive, answer your questions thoroughly, and provide clear timelines and estimates. Cost of walk-in tub installation in Mobile, Alabama. The cost of a walk-in tub installation in Mobile can vary depending on the type of tub, the complexity of the installation, and any additional features you choose. On average, the cost ranges from $5,000 to $15,000, including both the tub and labor. While this may seem like a significant investment, the benefits of added safety, independence, and home value make it a worthwhile choice for many homeowners. Walk-in tub installation in Mobile, Alabama is a practical and beneficial upgrade for those seeking a safer, more comfortable, and accessible bathing solution. By understanding the installation process, selecting the right features, and choosing a qualified installer, you can enjoy the long-term benefits of a walk-in tub that enhances both your quality of life and the value of your home. With the right planning and professional guidance, transforming your bathroom into a more accessible space is easier than ever.